Imagine giving your chicken a flavor boost so intense that it transforms every bite into a culinary masterpiece. Pickle-brined chicken is the secret weapon you've been searching for to elevate your meals to new heights. Over the past decade, pickles have taken center stage in the food world, proving that they're more than just a garnish. From Sonic's dill pickle slushie in 2018, www.thetakeout.com/pickle slushies will invade Sonic in this summer 1823891755 to Popeye's dedicated pickle menu in 2025. https www.thetakeout.com/182426 Popeye's pickle menu review. It's clear that dill pickles have had a remarkably long run as a food trend. Even fast food giant Chick-fil-A has been rumored to use pickle juice in their chicken brining process, though employees deny this claim. However, Mark Waldo, the owner of Waldo's Chicken and Beer, https waldoschicken.com visit, openly shares that his restaurant uses a pickle juice marinade to achieve its signature flavor. According to Waldo, the secret lies in the unique brine. The vinegar in the brine gives the chicken a tangy kick that perfectly balances the seasoning and salt flavors. Plus, a pickle brine makes the chicken more tender and juicy, ensuring every bite is pure perfection, he explains. The acidity in the brine not only adds depth for flavor, but also helps break down tough fibers in the meat, making it incredibly tender and moist. But here's where it gets controversial. Even if you're not a big fan of dill pickles, you can still enjoy the benefits of brining by using other pickled products. For instance, the spicy brine from pickled banana peppers or pepperoncini can offer a similar effect without the dill and cucumber taste. How to make a pickle juice marinade? While you could simply use straight pickle juice, Waldo suggests taking it a step further to enhance the flavor. Creating a brine is both simple and enjoyable. Just think about the flavors you want to infuse into your protein and go from there, he advises. To start, you'll need a good balance of salt, sugar, and thyme. Waldo's recipe calls for a mixture of 1 part water and 1 part pickle juice, along with additional seasonings and sugar. Begin by dissolving the sugar in 1/4 of the total volume of hot water. Then add cold water to complete the mixture. Once everything is well combined, ensure your chicken is fully submerged in the brine and let it rest in the refrigerator for 24 hours. And this is the part most people miss. The exact duration can vary depending on the size of the chicken pieces, but generally 24 hours is a safe bet. Just avoid leaving it in for too long, as over-brining can make the meat mushy. What flavors pair well with pickle-brined chicken? When asked about complementary flavors, Waldo recommends a cold beer as the perfect accompaniment to a well-brined and breaded chicken tender. While the beer doesn't need to be cold if you're using it in the brine or batter, it certainly adds to the overall experience. Beyond beer, he suggests focusing on the seasoning in your breading. The subtle salt flavor is essential. Whether you use plain salt or a blend like garlic salt, Cajun seasoning, or Old Bay, he says. Adding a touch of cayenne pepper can also bring some heat to the dish, enhancing the overall flavor profile. So what do you think? Are you ready to try this game-changing brining technique, or do you prefer traditional methods? Share your thoughts in the comments below.